In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share access to Google Analytics by adding a user and assigning the right permission level. To get started, go to Google Analytics and sign in with an administrator account. You'll need admin level access because only authorized users can manage who has access to the account or property. Once you're on the Google Analytics dashboard, click the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. This is where you manage settings, users, and permissions. From here, decide whether you want to give someone access across all properties in the account or only to one specific property. Choose Account Access Management if they need access to every property under the account. If they only need access to a particular website or app, choose Property Access Management instead. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next, click the plus button in the top right corner and select Add Users. Enter the person's Google associated email address, making sure it's the email they use to sign into Google. Now choose the permission role that matches what they need to do. Viewer is best for read-only reporting access, while Analyst and Marketer provide additional capabilities. Editor allows changes to settings and configurations, and Administrator gives full control, including the ability to manage other users. It's usually best to select the lowest level of access needed for their role. Once you've selected the appropriate permission, click Add in the top right corner. The user will now have access based on the account or property level and role you selected. And that's it. You've successfully shared access to Google Analytics.